Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I try.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and today, guys, I got a video for you guys that really like a delivery video. This is for real, like this is a delivery video. I got to put this message out because not enough people are telling these people what they need to get told. Like, period. Before I get into this video though, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video on all your social media pages, whatever you have out there. Please share it on all your social media. You know, all the support is very much appreciated. And I thank each and every person that subscribed to the channel, that liked my video, that watched my video, that enjoyed my video. Because all my videos are positivity, comedy, and just to make everybody feel good. You know what I'm saying? If you're having that bad day, I want you to be able to come to my video, and my video makes you what? Happy. You understand what I'm saying? You digging what I'm saying? But no, for real though, man, I'm about to jump into this video, dog. This video is for probably my germophobic audiences. You see what I'm saying? Matter of fact, no. Rewind that. I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say this video is for all audiences. Because with this subject that I'm about to talk about, you don't necessarily have to be germophobic, but some of y'all gonna realize how germophobic y'all are after I finish this video. For those of y'all that cough and sneeze consistently in your hands, I need for y'all to cut that shit out, period. Bro, y'all literally have the nerve to walk up to somebody, let them see you coughing and sneezing in your hands. Y'all would have the nerve to sit there and let the person watch you do it. And then sit there and try to touch them. And shake their hands and touch all their stuff. Whoa! No! Wow, push you in your throat, dog. I'm dead serious. But bro, it's so nasty, irritating. Like y'all got to be some of the most disrespectful people on the planet, dog. I'm all serious, bro. Y'all got to be disrespectful. Like, ooh, oh my God, boy. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just so mad, boy. Y'all don't understand, bro. I be seeing that, and when I see it, I be like, is this the day I want to hurt somebody's feelings? For real, cause I be on the verge of wanting to hurt your feelings. For real, bro. I be ready to cuss you out. I be ready to tell you about yourself. That's nasty, bro. People out here ain't got time to be getting sick and you going around here sneezing and coughing in your hands all the time. People ain't got time for that, y'all. Why do y'all do that? Come on, bro. We got stuff we got to do, things we got to, you know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. Why do y'all do that? Ooh. Boy, it ain't even funny. Like, you ever get so mad? You ever get so irritated you just start laughing? Like, that's how irritated I am about me saying this. And see, that's the thing, like, I gotta make this video because not enough people are telling these people what they doing. You see what I'm saying? Like, see, a lot of people be out here, they be scared to say something because they don't want to hurt their feelings. You know what I'm saying? Some people might not even be realizing that they doing it. But no, if you're doing that, you got to realize you doing it. That's nasty. And see, the other thing that really irks me a lot, and what irks me the most, is the fact that majority of the people that do that be the most touchable people. That's why I don't like. Why the most nastiest people be the most touchable people? Ooh, y'all be so touchable. Like, I'm telling you, like, y'all be the one that be all, oh my God, how you doing? You be looking at the person like, bro, did she just touch me? Did he just touch me, bro? Punch you in your throat. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, you, like, honestly, I think they should make a rule. They should make a law for this. If you do that, you should legally be able to punch that dude in the throat, or female. Not guy punching female. Female punching female. Everybody that do that, like the majority of the nasty people that do be doing that, they don't carry no Germ-X. They don't carry no hand sanitizer wipes, no hand sanitizer. They don't carry nothing that kill germs. So you know what they doing? sneezing, coughing in their hand, and just walking around all day spreading that shit. They walking around all day spreading that shit, dog. For real, think about that. They walking around right now like somebody walking up on you, you don't even know it. Shaking your hand, rubbing your arm, giving you a hug, rubbing your back. All that getting on your clothes. Come on, bro. Y'all need to stop that, man, for real. Oh, boy. I'll be ready to push you in your throat. You agree with me, though, in this video, man, for real. Hey, like I said in the beginning, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm going to give y'all a challenge today. I'm going to give y'all a major challenge today. If you know anybody on any of your social media, or even in person, it don't even matter. On any of your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, it don't matter. If you know anybody that do this, I would advise you and challenge you to tag them in this video. Them and give them this message. You is a nasty mother. I can't even say the word. You see what I'm saying? I had to bleep my own self out. But for real, tag your friends, tag your family, let them know, hey, you be doing this and you need to stop. Period. You know what I'm saying? I don't be trying to hurt your feelings or nothing. So I'm going to let this man right here in this video tell you, you need to stop that. You need to cut that out. That's nasty. People ain't trying to get sick over you. People ain't trying to get no germs over you. That's the message right there. That's the message right there. You go on ahead and you give them that message I just said. Maybe that's something that you've been wanting to get off your chest, but you were scared to say it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have nervous time to say something to their best friend. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing wrong with that. But I'm the one telling you. Cut it out. That's nasty. Boy, y'all think I be playing, man. Let it be legal. Let them legalize me being able to push you in the throat for that. Just let it be legalized, bro. Because I'm telling you, that's nasty. That's germophobic nasty. But for real, though, man, no, for real. But back to what I was saying, though, for real. Share this video on all your social media. Tag your friend, tag your family that you know that be doing this. Tag your friend, tag your family that you know will enjoy this video. I don't know, man. I'm gone, man. I'm gone. I ain't got nothing to say.